Hey there traders, welcome to another market update video. Today is the 29th of April 2021 and we're going to start off on Bitcoin here on the 4-hour chart. We did take a short position up here last night. It got triggered early this morning, just like previous ones that we did not get triggered. This one actually did get us into the trade. Quite a decent trade, already took 50% profits off the table and our stop loss is now on break even for this one. I still expect some further continuation to the downside here for Bitcoin overall. Probably going to be looking for it to continue much lower. Excuse me, let me just close Telegram here for a second. I am targeting these lower points right here, this previous little liquid zone. That's still an area of interest in my opinion. Maybe somewhere down here we'll roll over gradually or we'll just dump straight down today. We'll see. If we do bounce from this liquidity zone and we do take out yesterday's spike high, in other words, we do close above, what was that, $56,500 on the dot. That's when I'll be looking for an extension to the upside and we'll be looking for long opportunities then and only then. But for now, I'm still bearish on this one short term, maybe even medium term, all the way back down, as I said, back down to $51,300, somewhere in this liquid zone. And that's where I'm going to be looking to take potential long positions for Bitcoin. Let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum currently hanging above this level, this liquidity zone that we spoke of. Also right on this trend line, still acting as resistance currently. And looking at momentum oscillators, we can see that Ethereum is most likely running out of steam to the upside. We can also see a drop off in volume as we made our way back up here. So for Ethereum, I would expect another move back down to the very least to around about $2,534, $35, somewhere around there. And we'll reassess once we meet with this previous little order block coming in through here. So right now for Ethereum, it's looking like we do have an opportunity to take some long positions on the next pullback. So I do like that one as a setup, but we'll reassess once we get there. Bitcoin Cash, still looking for a short opportunity up here in this liquidity zone or a possible buy opportunity down here somewhere with this lower liquidity zone. I do think this one's also running out of steam. We can see that spike to the upside. We failed to take out that spike, running out of volume. Again, momentum is starting to point to the downside. So in my opinion, we're going to get a decent buy opportunity here very soon for most of these cryptos, including Bitcoin Cash. Litecoin, we took a long position here yesterday. Unfortunately, I got stopped out of break even. Some of the members are still in this trade. That's brilliant. Well done. If you're still in this trade, just hold it. I'm still looking for Litecoin to make its way back higher, perhaps even back up to this liquidity zone around $280 per Litecoin. But if Bitcoin is going to be dumping, then Litecoin most likely will be pushing back down as well. That's when I'll be looking for some buy opportunities around $242 per Litecoin, this next little liquidity zone right here. I do think we'll see at the very least a short-term bounce after that, and then we'll reassess from there. But if I see Litecoin starting to break down here, like I said, I won't be looking for any short opportunities. I'd rather be leaning towards the upside. So as soon as we start pulling back down, the level is 242. That's what I'm paying attention to. Chainlink, still hovering around between this liquidity zone and this upper liquidity zone. So not really too much to talk about here for Chainlink, except for the fact that we might be seeing some buy opportunities if we do make it back down to around $33. If we break below that, however, this liquidity zone here at the bottom that we can see all these spikes into, this would be an optimal buy opportunity in my opinion for Chainlink moving forward. Neo also just hovering around sideways here between these two liquidity zones. This one's actually a fairly simple trade. Any kind of break above this previous liquidity zone, I'd be looking to take some long positions on. Neo, any kind of break below this liquidity zone, I'd be taking a very short-term, short opportunity, perhaps a 1-to-1 risk reward with lower risk. But right here, this is the point. This is where I want to buy Neo. Right there on this liquidity zone, on the 200 exponential and the 200 simple moving average. That's where I'm going to be looking to take some positions to potentially long all the way back up to the previous all-time high for Neo. And then BNB is going to be our last one. We still have this pending short position here for BNB, looking like we're going to probably trigger it today. I would still take this short position. I'm still happy with this short position. Momentum oscillator is also showing running out of momentum here. We're still going up while while volume is moving down. Price moving up, volume coming down. So I do like this setup for a short position around $589 per BNB. So perhaps we're lucky today and we do get triggered into this trade. Otherwise, for BNB, I'd be happy to take a long position anywhere around $520. If it does make its way back down there, I would be very happy to scoop some up around this previous liquidity zone. You can see acted as support right here, major resistance, and then again support right there. Also, if we pull this one back, we can see that it has acted as support multiple times in the past and resistance in the past quite a few times. So that is a major level that I'm keeping an eye on for BNB. But I'm still very interested in this short position up here. Price moving up, volume overall making its way back down. So same thing with Bitcoin. I think that's going to be quite a decent short opportunity if we can make our way back up there. All right, so that's it for this video. Short and sweet, just showing you exactly what I'm looking for, what I'm waiting for, what the setups are, so that you have the same trade plan as I do. So just in summary, Bitcoin in a nice profit here with currently on break even. Going to see if we can hit our second target. And then we'll reassess for a potential buy opportunity once we make our way back down here. Ethereum in summary, real quick, I do think we're going to roll back down to the downside here. If we take out this previous swing low around $2,600, that's when I'll be looking for an extension back down to this previous liquidity zone down here around $2,384. Bitcoin Cash just hovering around. My buy opportunity is around 758. My selling opportunity is around 982, actually 986 today. Litecoin, kind of neutral here, looking for a buy opportunity around 242 if we do make it back down there, or any kind of selling opportunities on this liquid zone all the way up here. I wouldn't be looking for any buy opportunities from this level that we are right now. Chainlink, real quick, I'll be looking for a pushback down actually. Inside of this liquidity zone, if we do get a buy opportunity around $33.20, I'll take it. But if we don't, the next buy opportunity is going to be around $30.71. Neo hovering around any kind of break above this liquidity zone would make me bullish for an extension to the upside. Any kind of break below this liquidity zone would make me bearish. But $76 is exactly where I would like to buy some Neo. BNB, getting ready to short this one, almost at our area of interest, so I'm very excited about it. I do think we'll get the short in before the end of the week, before the end of the day, so we can take some profits off the table for this one as well. All right, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.